Hi, this is Mrs. Rogers. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Naviance. From the Riverside homepage, click on the blue portal. Then click on Backpack. Enter your email or username for the school district. Then go to Education Apps. From here, scroll down to Naviance. Within Naviance, there are several activities you're going to do. The first is called About Me, My Assessments. So go up to About Me and click My Assessments and go to the Strengths Explorer. You're going to find out what your talents are. Using this survey, you'll answer 78 short questions. Click Take Assessment when you're ready. When you are finished, you can go back to the home screen. The next activity you'll do is from the home screen, you'll go to My Planner and Goals. You're going to write an academic goal, a career goal, and a personal or social SMART goal. For the first goal, you'll just click in the box and then write in what your goal is. Be sure you put a little bit about each topic and then click Add when you're finished. Then do the career goal and the personal social goal when you're done. When you're finished, you can go back to the home screen again. From here, you'll go to About Me, My Stuff, and the resume. From here, you'll click on the red plus sign to add more information. You can pick education, extracurricular activities, awards, or whatever you'd like to add. When you're finished adding the activity, click Add, and then you'll go to Print Export Resume to save your resume. You'll want to edit the name, but I'd like you to call it 9th grade resume 1 and save the resume. It'll ask you to click the default template 1, continue, then save. You can access Naviance anytime from your home computer or cell phone. If you have any questions, please ask your counselor. Thanks, and have a great day.